Maybe only two issues. It's now 11 p.m. Tomorrow morning we leave very early to Manila. So before the game I already mentioned that I was happy that we could change the game of Pesilla to the 15th. But I was unhappy that we had to play two games in 4 days before we leave. I think that was not in our benefit, because we had to rotate. We have players who just came back from injury, Mesidoro, who could play only 45 minutes. Some players with other injuries, they could not play from the last game, because of course the competition is priority, but also the AFC Challenge League. So again, you play two games in 4 days just before you leave tomorrow morning. So that's one. Second point is the game. I think first we analyzed, of course, Bayangkara, and they did 4 transfers this winter, in the winter break, and that's how they play. They kick the ball to the offense, and they have now 4 players who can make the difference. We warmed our team in every way, and I think 40 minutes we did very good. I think 40 minutes we played very good. I think the opportunities were not there, but if you can be patient, the possibilities would come. I think Eggy had a good possibility. And then 5 minutes before halftime, they do what they want, and they get, I think, the ball from Ivar. He played in the center, we lose the ball, and they go on the counter-attack. And then you get to the 4 players who they transferred, and then okay, that's the way they killed the game. But for me, it was not the ball of Ivar, because I think we didn't give him options. I think that was the problem of the team, because at that moment I think nobody was on the right as an option, so he had also no option. But it's more that we spoke a lot about what could happen in the game that is the strength of Bayangkara. That's the way they win the games. So they made some good transfers, and we have to focus on the first 40 minutes. We have to get ready for the AFC Challenge Cup, and we go there and to qualify for the semi-final.
Ada 2 masalah. Sekarang kita lihat sudah jam 11 dan besok sudah pagi, kita akan pergi ke Manila. Dia senang kita bisa ganti pergantian Persija ke tanggal 15, tetapi dia nggak senang pertandingan ini nggak bisa ditunda, karena setelah 2 hari kita harus main lagi. Akhirnya kita harus rotasi. Messi cuma bisa main 45 menit, banyak pemain yang balik dari cedera, banyak juga pemain yang cedera setelah pertandingan terakhir. Kita tahu Liga itu prioritas, tetapi AFC juga prioritas. Poin kedua adalah pertandingan. Kita sudah analisa Bayangkara FC. Mereka melakukan 4 transfer di musim dingin. Kita tahu cara main mereka main tendang ke depan, terus kasih ke 4 pemain baru itu. Dan kita tahu kita main bagus selama 40 menit. Tetapi main bagus tadi tidak ada peluang, tidak banyak peluang. Egy mungkin ada peluang, terus akhirnya mereka bisa bermain sesuai dengan apa yang mereka inginkan. Terus mereka cetak gol tadi dari bola Ivar yang hilang di tengah. Terus mereka mainkan ke depan bolanya. Terus juga bukan salah Ivar tadi terjadi gol karena dia tidak ada opsi di sisi. Kita harusnya bisa kasih dia opsi. Kita tahu kekuatan Bayangkara FC seperti apa. Mereka melakukan transfer yang bagus. Jadi sekarang kita harus fokus pada 40 menit pertama yang kita main bagus dan coba menang di AFC supaya bisa lolos ke semifinal.
Yeah, what the coach said, I think in the beginning we played very well till the 40th minute. Yeah, after that they got one big opportunity and they make a goal. The second half. The second half, we created some opportunities, but not 100% opportunities. But I think we played well. And it's not good that we get 2 goals against us. We knew that they are very dangerous in the transition, so we will look back to that. We will focus now on the next game.
Oke, apa yang dibilang pelatih di awal, kita main bagus sampai menit 40. Akhirnya mereka dapat peluang besar. Babak kedua kita ada peluang juga, tapi nggak 100%. Sayang sekali kita kebobolan 2 gol. Kita tahu mereka berbahaya di transisi. Sekarang saatnya kita fokus pada pertandingan selanjutnya di AFC.